In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add texture in Tinkercad. So to get it started, I'm going to place this square tool right here from one of our basic shapes. Now to change or simply add a texture to your shape, you can simply select on a specific shape right here, and simply inside, we then have the button gold texture. You simply want to click on the Apple button, which is going to be at the top right corner of your screen. From here, the page will load again, and you simply want to click on your shape once more, and then we have the material option and color. Select material, and in here we have different textures like low friction plastic, concrete, ice, polystyrene, rubber, bouncy rubber, and more. So in my case, I'll then select steel right here, and I'll color it silver. From there, we have successfully changed a texture here on Tinkercad. Once again, you can just click on the Sim Lab, and from there we have different materials that we can simply choose from. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.